Hi, myself Dr. Shilpa Bhateja from Geshlogy Hair Restoration Clinic, Sector 18, Rohini, New Delhi. I am board certified trichologist and we perform hair transplant surgeries in our clinic. What all things we should take in mind before going for hair transplant? Today I am going to discuss this topic in detail regarding it. First is the blood test of the patient. We ask patient to go for CBC, viral markers, blood sugar level, all these things so that we can assure about the patient what all things are happening in patient's body. First is CBC. CBC we go for HB, like if the patient has low HB, then we prescribe iron pills, and sometimes blood transfusion is also done in case of patient if HB is low than 7 gram. And if the patient has high HB, suppose it's more than 17, and we can't perform HB with such a high grade, so that we ask patient to discard their blood, because after 17 HB they can't donate their blood. If they have high HB, like suppose more than 15, then we can ask patient to donate their blood. But if it is higher than 17, then the patient can't donate blood. We have to discard the patient's blood to make him maintain for the surgical procedure. And another is platelet count. If platelet counts are high or if platelet count is low, if platelet count is low, then also we can't do the surgeries because bleeding will be more and patient will be in shock in case of surgery. So these all things are very important in case of patient you are taking for the surgery. And another are viral markers like hepatitis B, hepatitis A. If the patient are positive for such viral markers, then also we delay the surgery till they are okay. Like hepatitis B is curable nowadays. And next is the KFT levels, like if patient has any kidney function test abnormalities or any liver function test abnormalities, then we have to prescribe the patient accordingly. And one is the blood sugar, if the patient is diabetic or not. Whether the patient is diabetic or not, we perform surgeries, there is not an issue, but we should know about the patient details if we have to manage the patient like diabetic patient or not. And another things are the if the patient is on smoking, like he has to or she has to quit smoking. Another is the alcoholism. If he or she is consuming alcohol, then he or she has to stop the alcohol also before a week. And another thing is LA sensitivity. We have to check for local anesthesia sensitivity, whether it is not applicable to the patient, we can omit that LA and we can use the another one. So these all things should be taken care of. Without these things you should not take the patient unless until all things are clear for the patient you take the patient for surgery. Please like this video, share this video so that this information can be given to all the patients who are going to for the hair transplant surgeries and who are making their mind to go for hair transplant surgeries. You will be in safe hands. You can come, you can contact us, you can go, whether you can go for surgery or not, you should have to take care of your blood test first. Thank you.